To fix a non-tradable symbol in Tradingview, start by logging in with your credentials. If you're new to the platform, you can connect using your Google, Facebook, Twitter, or other accounts by clicking on the Sign Up option and following the on-screen instructions. A non-tradable symbol can occur due to several reasons, such as the symbol not being supported by the data feed or broker connected to Tradingview. This is particularly common with less common markets or asset classes, as different exchanges and data providers have specific conventions for symbols. Some symbols may require a specific data subscription or access level before they can be traded or viewed. To resolve the issue, ensure you've selected the correct symbol, as hovering over the symbol with your mouse can help verify this. When trading, choose the correct trading pairs and enable the checkbox to show the markets you can trade with your broker in the search symbol section. Using the correct symbol is crucial, so double-check your selection. If you're still unsure, you can visit the Help section in the bottom right corner of the platform, where you can search for topics related to your concern, or type your question to find an answer. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the non-tradable symbol issue and continue trading on the platform.